what? Southwest monsoon, understood? And then other part of the year there is a what? Northeast monsoon, regular reversal of wind. And these are the regions we can consider under the monsoon, and especially if we can talk about these are the regions, understood, and parts of Australia, understood. These are what? Tropical monsoonal region. Subtropical monsoonal region I did not say, I said tropical region. And after that I said that if we'll go into, I said now these are the eastern part of Brazil, and there is an eastern part of Africa and Madagascar, eastern Australia, and some parts of what I said the Central America. यहाँ पर क्या देख रहे हैं? What we are watching? There is a tropical maritime. It is in which one? Monsoonal region में ही क्या है? There is a tropical maritime climatic region. Which one I said that? Tropical maritime or tropical maritime. यहाँ पर especially if you see that this region is having a warm Brazilian current. This region is having a warm Madagascar, warm Mozambique channel, and there is an also warm West East Australian current, और यहाँ से गल्फ स्ट्रीम, वार्म ओशन. और यहाँ पर आप क्या देखते हैं? तो देयर इज एन कमिंग ऑफ व्हाट इज एन sea breeze during the day time, that it is effective and it causes a rainfall and all, understood. It is through the sea breeze, and then in the night time there is a regular level पर क्या है? There is a what? So what is there on the regular level? I said that during the daytime in this region I said sea breeze, and then there is in the night time there is I said land breeze, understood. That is making the tropical maritime climate. So which are the two climatic regions conditions that we'll see here? Yes, tell me. Yes, tropical monsoonal climatic region, this type of biome we'll see. Another we'll see it is in a tropical maritime. Understood it? Clear? I said that first we are going to see the tropical monsoonal. Tropical एशिया में देखा जाए तो इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, म्यांमार, these are the Malaysia, Thailand, South China. These are the region which are coming under what? And after that if you see Philippines, yes, able to locate, and thereafter coastal lands of Central America, and then North America में Mexico and West Indies, and in the South America में Brazilian coastal region, and Africa में आप देखेंगे Mozambique, Ethiopia region, and Australia if you see that Queensland. So in these regions we can have a tropical monsoonal and tropical maritime climate, understood. So which are the regions we can have? पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, म्यांमार, थाईलैंड, जो भी नाम है, जरूरी नहीं कि यही है. आसपास आपको जो दिख रहा है म्यांमार, मलेशिया वगैरह, इंडोनेशिया मत बोल देना, वो ऑलरेडी किसमें था? इक्वेटोरियल. एंड देन आई से थाईलैंड, वियतनाम, फिलीपींस, अंडरस्टूड, ईस्टर्न इथियोपिया, मोजाम्बिक, मेडागास्कर, एंड देन ईस्टर्न ब्राजील, Mexico and Central American countries. Central American याद है ना? BC होनी कोपा, बेलीज़, ग्वाटेमाला, होंडुरास, निकारागुआ, कोस्टा रिका and Panama, and thereafter El Salvador. Then I said that these are the regions which is coming under it. I said that if you see the highest temperature before the rains, हमारे यहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर कब होता है? रेनी सीजन में होता है या उससे पहले होता है? उससे पहले. अभी जो मार्च, अप्रैल, मई जो जा रहा है, जून, जुलाई के बाद धीरे धीरे टेम्परेचर स्टार्टेड गेटिंग डाउन. द रीजन बिहाइंड ड्यू टू द क्लाउड कवर एंड ऑल, slowly and slowly. So I said that highest temperature before the rains when the skies are clear and circulation is what? Anticyclonic. ऊपर में कैसा होता है? हाई प्रेशर. The winds are ऊपर में क्या होता है? जेट स्ट्रीम, and then it is descending over what I said that इंडो-गंगेटिक प्लेन में उतरता है, दिस सब ट्रॉपिकल जेट स्ट्रीम मूव्स एंड ड्यू टू डिसेंडेंस एंड लोअर सरफेस पे कैसा कंडीशन बनाता है, साइक्लोनिक की जगह हाई प्रेशर, इट मीन्स एंटी साइक्लोनिक कंडीशन। और जब डिसेंडिंग एयर मूव करता है देन द वार्म एयर, जब अर्थ नॉर्दर्न इंडिया इटसेल्फ बिकम वेरी हॉट, it become very hot, and then due to high temperature therefore the warm air wants to go up, but due to presence of subtropical jet stream the air is descending, then the warm air is not able to move up, so therefore in the form of the loo this warm air will move and it will start causing heat stroke। देख रहे होंगे आप लोग, कई लोग मर रहे हैं। So in the news that is in a loo or heat stroke condition is there। So I said during the rainy season, so and circulation कैसा यहाँ पे रहेगा, anticyclonic, high pressure। During the rainy season temperature are reduced because of the heavy cloud cover, although the average temperature vary from 27 to average temperature कितना से कितना तक होता है 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस, and some inland region, यदि हम लोग maritime climate की बात करें तो that is, and some inland station in Indian subcontinent recorded a high temperature of 37 to 48 degrees Celsius during May or early June। Occasionally hot and dry winds locally called loo and are experienced in the Indian plains during the peak summer। The temperature drops after the rainy season once again, rainy season के बाद once again dry winter season starts, and then winter temperatures are much lower and vary from 10 degrees Celsius to 26 degrees Celsius, can even drop to below freezing point in some of the inland locations। Understood? So what is the average temperature vary throughout the year? 27 to 32 degrees Celsius। Yes or no? And you know that the extreme temperature can be even inland में very high, but coastal region पे they will be comparatively low due to land breeze and sea breeze। And we have seen that there is a loo is following। So आप लोगों ने क्या देखा, which are the three types of climate in monsoonal region we can be able to see? Hot and dry, hot and wet, cold and dry। Which are the reason? आप अभी जो चल रहे हैं कैसा कंडीशन है, हॉट एंड ड्राई, एंड जून जुलाई में क्या हो जाएगा, हॉट एंड वेट, एंड फ्रॉम द नवंबर ऑनवर्ड cold and dry till February it will be like this। So I said that हमने ये सब चीज देख लिया। Range of temperature in the tropical monsoonal climate is much larger than the equatorial climate। It can ranging from 23 degrees Celsius to 11 degrees Celsius। और अभी आप क्या देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर, if the morning temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, the day temperature by the evening it will be what, 43। So maximum it can go up to what is range of temperature can be what is a very high diurnal range of temperature, and then annual range of temperature can be very high। आप दिल्ली में कितना टेम्परेचर देखते हैं जनवरी मंथ में, मिनिमम टेम्परेचर जनवरी का दिया जाता है, मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर जुलाई का देखा जाता है। सो मिनिमम टेम्परेचर इफ विल टॉक अबाउट इट विल बी, आई सेड दैट कितना होगा, एवरेज टेम्परेचर ऑफ द मीन मंथली टेम्परेचर ऑफ जनवरी it will be around we can say that 10 degrees Celsius, yes, and 34 degrees Celsius of July। तो यहाँ पर भी हाई एनुअल रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर 24, 25, 23, 18, कहीं का 14 भी हो सकता है। एंड मुंबई पे जाएंगे तो मुंबई पे मुझे क्या मिलेगा, 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस, सॉरी 30, देयर विल बी अराउंड you can say that जनवरी में it will be temperature, it will vary from 25, 26 kind of it, yes, mean monthly temperature of January। and then if we'll go in the जुलाई में, जून जुलाई में जाओगे तो there will be 34, 35, तो 10, 11, so minimum temperature, minimum there will be high, it is compared to equatorial it is what is high, but along the coastal region maritime climate is there and it is causing land breeze and sea breeze की वजह से क्या हो जाता है, temperature is diurnal range of temperature and what is एनुअल रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर दोनों कोस्टल रीजन में कंपेरेटिवली कॉन्टिनेंटल अंदर में जाएंगे तो वहां पे क्या होता है, डायरनल रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर इज हाई एंड एनुअल रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर इज वेरी हाई। लेकिन देखा जाए तो ये दोनों ही टेम्परेचर कोस्टल मैरीटाइम, मैरीटाइम मीन्स कोस्टल मैरीटाइम एंड इंटीरियर कॉन्टिनेंटल, दोनों ही एनुअल रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर, डायनल रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर इज हायर देन द इक्वेटोरियल टाइप ऑफ बायोम। Understood? And the variation in the degree of the annual range of temperature is governed by continentality. Continentality means you are moving away from the coast, means there is no effect of land breeze and sea breeze, cloudiness and altitudinal effect. Which are the three factors will affect the what is the temperature of the interior? I said that temperature is governed by annual range of temperature में आप देखेंगे आप कितने अंदर हैं, yes or not, या कोस्टल रीजन पे है, हाउ मच दैट रीजन इज क्लाउड, दैट वी हैव सीन इन द रीजन ऑफ इक्वेटोरियल रीजन की क्लाउड कॉजेज व्हाट इज रेंज ऑफ टेम्परेचर लोअर, एंड देन हाउ मच अल्टीट्यूडनल, ऊंचाई कितनी है आपकी। सो विच आर आई सेड दैट कॉन्टिनेंटलिटी, क्लाउडीनेस एंड अल्टीट्यूडनल इफेक्ट। I said that monsoonal circulation is characterized by the seasonal reversal of the ITCZ and then leads to the wind reversal. Then ITCZ move in the north and ITCZ come in the south. Therefore, that is in a northeast, southeast trade wind becomes southwest monsoon and northeast trade wind become northeast monsoon. There is a regular reversal due to the ITCZ. Understood? The amount of rain in the tropical monsoon climate is high. Rainfall comes mainly in the rainy season and lasts for only how much? How many days? 100 days, or we can also say 100 hours. Okay, how many hours we are getting rainfall? 100 hours, or we can say that 100 days. मतलब 100 days regularly नहीं मिलता है, इधर उधर मिलता है, और total rainfall देखा जाए in the form of hours, it is only 100 hours. Most of the rainfall is received from the rainland and winds and have traveled over the ocean, but in some regions such as Philippines, Caribbean, Australia, India, this rainfall is also due to tropical cyclone. Yes or not? So in this region आपको दिखेगा Philippines and then some parts of South China and all, we can be able to have rainfall in India, eastern coast and a little bit in western coast. There is a tropical cyclone will be also effective. Understood it? So that is also causing rainfall. Tropical monsoon means it is in a reversal, that it is in a getting rainfall. Typically monsoon climate consists of 3 seasons for the Indian subcontinent and Myanmar. These are what? Cold and dry, hot and dry, and then hot and wet. These are the 3 seasons. Understood? In the Indian subcontinent, in the South China and then Philippines, and along with this Vietnam, Thailand and all Myanmar, we have what? 3. Which are 3? Hot and dry, hot and wet, cold and dry. Understood it? When the offshore northeast monsoon blow, ये आपको पता है, offshore it is moving away from the coast. Hot dry season, that is the temperature are high because of the near overheat midday sun and when the winds are almost absent. The hot wet season when the onshore, अब इस समय क्या आएगा? Southwest monsoon is onshore, and then onshore southwest monsoon wind blows, and when rainfall is very heavy regions receiving the full force and full fury of onshore winds. During this season, cloudy skies causes temperature to fall a little, but humidity rises to its maximum for the year. Maximum of the year, सबसे ज़्यादा humidity कब मिलेगी हमें? Hot and wet में. यहाँ पर if I say that vegetation, most of the trees of the deciduous means I said that in the alternate season the tree used to shed their leaves. In one season they will be green and another season, particular season they will shed their leaves in the absence of water availability and that is a deficiency of it. Which are the, and it has a forest vegetation displays how many layers? 2 layers. Upper layer of the tall trees over 30 meters in the dry zone of Myanmar and the tall deciduous tree are teak and salt. A lower layer of evergreen which is rich in undergrowth. So there is only 2 layers in the tropicals. One I said that upper layer, another is in a lower layer. The growth of trees is seasonal. Tree क्या होगा? Seasonal होगा या throughout the year होगा? जब रेनफॉल होगा they will try to grow. In the case of rainfall is not happening, there is growth, it will be very slow or it will be stagnant. There is a halt to growth during the dry season when the trees flower and shed their leaves. Shrubs which form the undergrowth cease to grow at this time. और इस समय केवल which one is growing? Undergrowth, lower layer is growing. Understood? So which are the two layers? Upper layer and lower layer. An upper layer grows only during the wet season, and the dry season they what? Halt their growth and shed their leaves, flowers and each and everything. And the lower layer, that is the scrubs and all, that they used to grow even in the dry season also. Resources, and then we have to see what is development. Okay, resources and development, we will do it from on tomorrow. Okay, till then.